heart of our islands, a leader stands tall. In the house of the people, he answers the call. With fire in his spirit and truth in his hands, he fights for the future of our beloved land. Honorable Piveni Pukala, our fearless guide, the master of this generation, Tonga's pride. For justice and truth, you raise your voice to love and serve your sacred joy. He stands against crime in the halls of power, a freedom fighter in every hour. He speaks for the people, for every soul, lifting us higher, making us whole. Honorable Piveni Pukala, our fearless guide, the master of this generation, Tonga's pride. For justice and truth, you raise your voice to love and serve your sacred choice. Though some try to silence the words he brings, he rises with courage on eagle wings. No one left behind, he cries so strong. In God's holy light, he rights the wrong. He guards the people's every cent, no budget wasted, no lies unspent. He honors the duty, he walks the line, with honesty pure and a calling divine. Honorable Piveni Pukala, our fearless guide, the master of this generation, Tonga's pride. For justice and truth, you raise your voice to love and serve your sacred choice. So Malo Opito, we sing your name, a hero of honor, not seeking fame. For Tonga you rise with dedication, forever our master of this generation. E oku Mauhelotu, atu moe popu, koia peho Mauhelotu, Mauhelotu, gawe Mauhelotu.